folks okay?
Oh, just fantastic. I just saw my daughter get eaten by some creature sent straight from hell. Thanks for asking.
I'm kind of sorry I did.
Sorry, mister. Forgive my wife. We've suffered terribly.
What's going on?
Well, it's the government's fault.
Ain't it always?
Well, they let in too many foreigners. Just shut the goddamn border, or things like this happen. My daughter was just some satanic demon's lunch because of the goddamn government. And I pay my taxes. Well, usually.
I think we may be moving a little off topic here. I ain't a wise man, but I have done a little traveling. These creatures ain't like any foreigners I've ever seen.
Thanks for the input, cowpoke. I got flesh-eating monsters feasting on my family, and I'm taking advice about tolerance from a gunslinger. What in the world has my life come to? And my daddy told me I never should have gotten married. This is all your fault, you useless man!
Oh, not now, Doreen. Not this again. Your daddy was a bully and a drunk.
Well, you ain't no kind of man!
Listen! I'm sorry to interrupt your happy reminiscences. Is there anything I can do to help? Have you got any idea of how we can survive?
Well, you could try shooting them creatures, you dumb fool.
Ma'am, it's been a real pleasure. Sir, you're a man of great patience.
Hey, you one of them, mister?
Do I look like one of them?
Well, don't come no closer. We made that mistake before, lost half our number.
I ain't one of them, you fool.
Well, how do I know?
They can't speak.
I ain't taking no chances.
Kill him! He's one of them!
Yeah.
No, I ain't.
Don't take no chances, Silas.
Have it your way, all right? Listen. I ain't coming no closer. Do you know what's going on?
It's the glass eye. The freak with the glass eye. He caused this.
No. It's the snake oil man. These poor folks have been drugged.
I blame the Mexicans. They haven't been struck down.
All right, we heard a lot of stories, mister. Some say it's a moon, some say it's drugs. Hey, don't come no closer now. Stand back. Apparently it's worse in New Austin. Must be where it came from.
And it looks like I'm headed down to New Austin. Did one of you say snake oil?
It's the glass eye.
I blame the Mexicans.
Oh, Connie McTavish, you don't know nothing. You always was an ignorant shrew. I bet your husband's glad he's dead.
Well, at least my husband never took favors from the stargazers, Lucille Billingsgate.
You say you're sorry, you hillbilly white trash!
Yeah, now how we gonna rebuild America like this? Now, see, I thought we had it all decided. We was gonna be kind and gentle and pay homage to our leader, who happens to be me.
Sounds like you folks have this all worked out. Have yourself a fine America. And good luck.
We never had that decided. We decided we would hold elections and that I would be leader.
You can't even read.
Well, I got gravity. I mean, gravy. Folk respect me.
I am the new king, Archibald Andrews, me. Now pay homage.
Humiliation. Headshot. Double kill.
Damn it to hell. Come on.
Shot.
Just trying to survive, lady. Come on. Yeah. Whoa. Let's go. Come on. Get off. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Now I'm in trouble. Easy now, you deranged maniac. Come on. Come on. Nearly got you. I got you now, freak. I must be out of my mind. That's it. What is wrong with you, freak? Goddamn demon! Relax now. Nearly there. Freaking nature! Sick animal! Nearly there! Damn weird animal! How'd I get myself into this? Come on, easy up now.
We gotta keep our strength up if we want to stay alive. You want a bite? I guess there's plenty to go around, if you be wanting some too. Yep, little bit of whiskey to soak it in, and I reckon this'll be good eating. It all started just after the plague hit town, you know. My brother comes home shot up real bad. Says he don't want them red-eyed demons to get his immortal soul. He said he wanted me to do it, you know, to kill him. I just put the pillow over his face. But the thing is, you see, I was real hungry. I couldn't exactly go outside the store, so I cooked him up in a stew and I ate him. He tasted damn good.
Why are you telling me this? Guess I got you now.
I'm gonna school you, some boy.
Ain't no point crying now. Up you come. Comfortable? Let's go! I'll smash your empty head in! You're done with this world! That's unfortunate. Crazy freak! Will you just die already?